40 bank branch location, one private bank, one execution framework. In interior execution, promises are easy, timelines are not. At AK Interiors, our focus is simple. How do we execute within the client's expected timelines and still make it realistic? Because execution does not fail due to design, it fails due to poor planning. This project tested exactly that. We were part of the expansion plan and were allotted 40 locations. One private bank, one design language, multiple locations across India. This was not sequential execution. This was parallel rollout at scale. Every branch had to open on time and every branch had to look identical. The challenge was not interiors, timelines, material mobilization, manpower planning, site readiness and coordination across locations. With this scale, even a small delay multiplies. So we knew one thing early. This cannot be handled location by location. We broke execution down. First, distributed execution. Factory task and on-site task ran in parallel, each with its own checklist, each with defined outputs. Second, we adopted plug-and-play model. Fit-outs, electricals, bought-out items, everything dispatched together. One delivery, one installation cycle. Third, scale needed structure, so we created execution slots. 4 locations at a time, planned, controlled, predictable. Each location had a 15-day delivery window. Those 4 locations formed one cycle, 10 such cycles, 4 branches per cycle. That's how 40 locations become manageable. Why the slot model worked? Timelines become realistic, deliverables become measurable, manpower stayed under control, material moved with purpose, not panic. And most importantly, quality never got diluted because we were never overextended. How we managed quality and control? Quality was the biggest risk. High volume, multiple locations, tight timelines. That's where slot-based execution mattered most. Every batch was inspected, every output was checked before the next cycle began. No compromise, no carry forward errors. What was the outcome and value? All 40 branches were delivered on planned timelines with consistent quality. For the client, this meant certainty. For us, it proved something important. Execution at scale does not need shortcuts, it needs system. At AK Interiors, that's what we built, not just branches, but execution frameworks. That's how timeline become realistic.